Yo, what's going on, guys? What is going on? How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? All right, let's see what's going on, guys. How did we close the day? Boom. Closed the day with another green candle, guys. Closed it above 4 cents. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. As you can see with that pull down, guys, we touched the moving average here and we kissed it and we moved right back up over 4 cents again immediately. Fantastic recovery, guys. That is such a bullish sign for further bullish continuation. So we'll have to stay on top of it, right? We're building some good, solid support here at the 4 cent level, guys. Fantastic. Can't believe I'm sitting here actually saying that we're building support at 4 cents. Isn't that wonderful to hear, considering how long we've been holding on to JASMY and you know how we spent so much time down, not even at half a cent, right? So very bullish, guys, very bullish. But now I did a video on it that comes out tomorrow, but I'm going to talk about it here. Is that one of the biggest factors in the short term here, guys, is that we can close today's or this week's candle, the weekly candle, above 4 cents. That's going to be massive if we can do that. So that's what we're going to want to pay attention to going into Sunday, right? So, all right, let's get into the chat, see what everybody's doing. Squirt Reynolds, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Kevin, what's up, brother? Hey, Rob and fam. Swift's looking like it. Yeah, looking good. I like it. Yes, it's looking fantastic. Then there's good old me, says make sure you smash the likes and sub to help the channel grow, guys. So if you're new, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. We'd absolutely love to have you, man. Love to have you join the family. So make sure you do that. All right, what else do we got? William, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. John, what's up, buddy? What's up, people? Hope you're all holding strong. Glad I found Rob just before Swift pump yesterday. Good timing, brother. Good timing, bro. Yes, a lot of people are up big on Swift, man. We're making some good calls. I look forward to seeing XCN to start pumping too, just like Swift. I'm glad I bought more early this morning. Yes. Galaxy Shooter, what's up, man? Good to see you. Tara, hey, Rob and JASMY fam, how you doing? KK, what's up, man? Load up on JASMY before the big move up. Yes, exactly. Buying Swift on the dip. Not a bad idea, man. Not a bad idea. JASMY ranked 53rd. Are we ranked 53rd right now? Let me check this out. Let me just check this out. Oh. Oh. 1 second. CoinGecko has us at 60th. But, yeah, Crypto Bubbles has us ranked at 53rd. 100%. Wow. Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Check this out. Check this out. Guys, 53 were ranked. We have a $2 billion market cap. Remember when we struggled to try to make it even close to 1 billion? Yeah, good times. 534 million in 24-hour trading volume, guys. What a great month for JASMY, up 129% on the month. Guys, look, we're now up over 1,000% on the year so far. 1,000%, 1,070%. Oh man, am I glad we were dollar cost averaging in the lows, man. Took some shrapnel to the wings, but we still fly on JASMY Airlines here from South Texas. Nice. Forget about it. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Not to be a party pooper, but I think it may It may well retrace to the bottom of the wick of the previous day low, possible retrace before continuing higher. Well, where would we be looking if that happened? We would be... You mean right here at the trend line? Like, or at the moving average? That would be around 3 cents 8. That's not a bad retrace. That's not bad at all. Even if it broke down below 4 cents again to the moving average, it'd probably get caught. Look how many times it's been caught on this moving average from falling below. Twice, 2 days in a row. Touched it there, wicked right back up again, right? So even if we do come down and touch it again, not a bad thing. It's only 2 cents. It's only 3 cents 8. So that's not a far fall. What a good day. So many GTC orders got filled. Yes. Where do you XCN? Where do I see XCN going? I did an XCN price prediction video, and I would encourage, if I've done a price prediction video, especially a recent one, I would always encourage you guys to go watch the video, right? I literally gave you 3 price points in the price prediction video. So check that out, Ryan. I do not think that you will be disappointed, brother. What's up, everyone from Los Angeles? Nice. LA in the house. It could hit the moving average then perfectly. Yeah, I agree. It could bounce off the moving average again. That wouldn't be terrible. Wouldn't be terrible. David, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, brother. All right, we're getting all the regulars in here. It's good to see. It's good to see, guys. Make sure you smash that subscribe button as always. All right, let's start getting into some of the news here. We got quite a bit to go through. All right, so okay, here we go. All right, guys. So as I usually say at this time, I'm going to jump over. I'm going to cover the news, guys. So I'll be reading the news. I'm not ignoring you in the chat. If you want to catch my attention, just send whatever it is you have to ask. Shoot it over in a super chat. I will jump over here and I will address your question, comment right away. So we got Watcher Guru says 300. So this is what happened earlier, guys. So $300 million in longs was liquidated from the market in about an hour. So that's why we had that sharp crash, because we also had options expiring today as well, right? I think something like 2.5 billion in options expired for Bitcoin and Ethereum today too. So, but I mean, nothing bad happened, right? People were panicking, like nothing bad happened. So it's not really anything to panic about, but it was a good opportunity to buy up some dips, man. Buy up some dips. What do we got just in? So Trump called himself the crypto president at San Francisco tech fundraiser. So he's now coined the phrase the crypto president. I love it. I love it, guys. I love to see it. It's better than the anti-crypto army that the Democrats are creating, right? Test resilience. Yes, bullish. All right. What else do we got, guys? Just in, BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETFs, IBIT, had another 169 million in inflows today, guys. Massive inflows continue to pour in. I keep saying it. All right, Mr. Billy says the best thing about JASMY, no one is dumping on you. No devs are other team members. The price will reach new highs quickly as 99% of JASMY holders are not traders. Higher prices cause more attention. More attention causes higher prices. We're going to see higher numbers. I agree. We cannot get dumped on at all. Super chat from Altcoin King. What's up, man? Thank you for your hard work. Hey, thank you for the super chat, man. I appreciate your support for the channel, brother. Means a lot. And I absolutely think your dog is gorgeous, man. I am a big dog fan. I think I told you that before, but I love dogs. Big dog fan. So beautiful dog, man. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you for the comment. Means a lot, man, my friend. Means a lot. But I agree here, guys. One of the best things about JASMY is no one's dumping on us. Nobody dumps on us, right? The team doesn't have, a bulk supply that they're going to be dumping on us. There's no token unlocks. There's nothing, right? So it's beautiful. We cannot get dumped on. What else do we got? Pow, check it out. Dump incoming, but what is it for? Before you panic, what's it for? Hang on a second. So, according to the House of Crypto, I don't mind his channel. He's actually pretty good. He says the USDT dominance holds the key. Don't worry about the small fluctuations and whether Bitcoin can break these highs. Look at the fundamentals of the other charts and play the big part in this. So, guys, what we're looking at here is a USDT dominance about to have a breakdown. BTC about to have a breakdown in dominance, not in price. We're going to get to it, so just bear with me. We're going to look at it, and it will be glorious. So we got Seth says 1.1 billion in open interest flushed on BTC, guys. That's what I was talking about. Look at that. High leverage longs liquidated. Crazy, man. That's why I don't play with leverage, guys. That's the thing I wanted to mention in this stream. This just reminded me of it. Guys, I'm starting to see a big influx in content creators on YouTube shilling leverage trading like crazy right now, right? I'm seeing it all over the place, man. I'm seeing it from what's his name? Matthew Perry. Every video, 3/4 of every video Matthew Perry makes, he's shilling Margex to you, trying to get you to use leverage trading, right? Zach Humphreys shilling his leverage trading as well over on I can't remember what exchange it was, but the point is we're seeing all of these content creators now, they're starting to shill leverage to you guys, right? Guys, I do not recommend leverage trading, especially if you do not have experience doing it. I know that a lot of content creators are going to be telling you it's a good idea. You can make a lot of money. Use my link in the referrals, all that stuff, right, guys? If you're not good at it, listen, you can go to, there's exchanges out there, okay, that they'll give you, if you create an account, I don't know which ones they are because I don't use them, but there are exchanges out there where they'll give you like monopoly money, okay, and you can practice leverage trading over there using fake money, okay, and I would recommend doing something like that for like a year before starting to use your actual money to leverage trade if you don't have experience, okay? Be cautious of content creators shilling leverage links to you guys and stuff like that. Be careful out there, guys. We've worked hard, dollar cost averaging through this bear market. We're so close to the bull run, like the parabolic part of the bull run kicking off. Don't screw yourself in your portfolio by messing around with leverage trading and stuff like that, guys. I do not recommend it. Obviously, not financial advice, but I just want you guys to be careful, okay? I have links and stuff like that. I never shill leverage trading to you guys. You'll never hear me do that. I will never recommend that to you guys, okay? I don't care if the exchange boots me as a they don't want to sponsor my channel anymore. I'll never tell you guys it's a good idea to use leverage trading. Never. So be careful out there, guys. This is the kind of stuff that happens right here. Look at this. All these people thought they knew what they were doing. These are all people with experience in leverage trading. They thought that they knew what they were doing. Boom, flushed out, liquidated, just like that, right? So be careful, guys. And check this out. I told you guys yesterday, Brett, yesterday's live stream, I told you guys Brett got listed on Uphold yesterday. And I told you guys then it might be a good time to get into Brett. It's up 20.9% on the day, guys. Hopefully some of you guys picked up some Brett yesterday, made a little bit of money. Hopefully you guys took advantage of that situation. That'd be great. I love to hear it when you guys are winning. Boom. What do we got? Plan B in the house, guys. So Plan B says recency bias. People favor recent events over historic ones. Number one, recent 2021 top of 69K was a 3x from the 2017 bottom of 20K. Recent 2022 bottom of 16K was below 2017's top of 20K. So people think the next top will be 3x from 2021's top, 210K. And next bottom will be below the 2021K sub 69K. So yeah, I would agree with that. But like for me, I mean, most of the time you would think about it like, listen, if Bitcoin goes to 200K, right, it's going to fall 90%. What is that? 20K. So you're going to have about a $20,000 Bitcoin, right? If my math is right. I don't know. I could be way off, but that's, guys, every cycle, and those of you who are around for the last cycle, you know exactly what I'm talking about, okay? Every cycle, there's people out there that are saying this time is different. Bitcoin's not going to fall 90% this time. The market's not going to fall 90. I just watched somebody over on, I can't remember what channel it is today. He calls himself a respected analyst, and he's out there talking about a super cycle and that we will never see another bear market again. That's irresponsible, guys. Like, guys, every cycle we see these people come out of the woodwork and they say the same thing every time. Last bull run, 2021, people were saying super cycle, we're never going back into another bear market again. It's because of this reason and that reason and blah, 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 right? Boy, did we crash to the bottom of another bear market. It's going to be the same this time. You have people coming out and they're saying Bitcoin's not going to fall. People are like, because of ETFs and whatever reason. Yes, it is. It's fallen every single time. Why would suddenly it not? And people can say, well, now we have ETFs. Yeah, people are going to take profits on ETFs. I'm sorry, but they are, right? So I don't know. Just be careful, guys. It gets tiring every cycle seeing the same people come out saying the same thing, and they're wrong every single time. But they say it with such conviction that new people that come into crypto end up getting wrecked because of it, right? And that's what irks me, is seeing people who are new get wrecked following bad advice, because then they think crypto's a scam. Then they want to leave. They don't want to participate anymore. And that's bad for everybody, right? So yeah, be careful who you listen to as well. All right, what else do we got? The Bitcoin therapist says Bitcoin is about to pump so hard. We saw insane levels of inflows over the last few days, literally billions, like it was nothing. This dip is artificial. A lot of people are distracted right now. Bitcoin has been consolidating and they're getting bored. Real holders have been stacking for the last 3 months. We know what is coming. We're nearly at 90 days. When we start running past 75K, all hell is going to break loose. This is not financial advice. This is simple mathematics. Just do the math. Yes, word life, basic mathematics. Yes, I agree, though. All hell is going to break loose soon, guys. And, you never really truly see it coming either, right? It's just like you're chilling, everything's sideways like it is right now. Oh, yay, JASMY's up, 8% on the day or 3% on the day, whatever. And you're just kind of chilling, going sideways for months and months and months and months. And then all of a sudden, out of left field, wham, you wake up, bam, JASMY's up 200%. Wake up the next day, bam, JASMY's up 300%. Wake up the next day, bam, JASMY's up another 100%, right? That's how it works, man. You're not even going to see it coming. So it'll be fun. So fun. All right, what else do we got? Mexican billionaire Ricardo Salinas says, quote, buy Bitcoin and keep your money out of the hands of those who want to take it. Elizabeth Warren, Gary Gensler, right? Absolutely, man. Absolutely. All right, what do we got? Charles Payne explodes on Wall Street. He has as he defends dumb money for holding GME. Here we go.
Real quick, Charles, on this meme stock situation, Keith Gill, better known as Roaring Kitty, set to live stream on YouTube for the first time in over 3 years. Meme stocks up this morning in anticipation. Do we care about this, Charles? What's the story?
All right, I'm going to explain this the way I've tried to explain it to a lot of folks on Wall Street, because these are not dumb people. This is not dumb money, and this has nothing to do with fundamentals. In the last couple of years, Maria, we have seen people burn down cities in revolt, and in the last few months, we have seen people take over college campuses and intimidate folks of a different religion. This is a protest. This is a revolution that I say is akin to the American Revolution. They see a system that is upset. And you know what? Folks are protesting with their own money. I say, God bless them. Do what you want with your own money. And if you think they're dumb, fine. But guess what? A lot of people are making a whole lot of money right now.
They sure are. All right, let's slip into short break. Charles, stay right there. Real quick.
Not dumb money. Exactly, man. They're fed. We're fed up. We're fed up. They can mock it all they want, but at the end of the day, it's a rigged system set so that only the rich people continue to get richer with their accredited investor programs and stuff like that, keeping the little guy out of making real money, right? Of course, it's a protest. Of course it is, right? And so same with crypto. It's a protest. We're moving away from your fixed BS where you rob us and cheat us of our money with your stock manipulations, and you're turning trading off on stocks because you're shorting like an idiot and losing money, right? We're not playing that game anymore. We're moving over to crypto, man, where we can actually make life-changing wealth like they made life-changing wealth, right? We're just, the simple fact is, as much as they don't want to admit it, this is not a dumb money thing. This is actually smart people who are not playing your game anymore. At the end of the day, you're playing a rigged game of Monopoly, and we're just getting up and walking away from the board, and we're going to go over here and we're going to play a different game. Screw you guys, right? That's all it is, man. That's what it is. And they don't like it. So they'll try to make us sound dumb and stuff like that. But Palm says, check this out, guys. Danish central bank has announced rate cuts. Cheaper money is on the way globally. That's 3 central banks from 3 separate countries cutting rates in 3 days, guys. Is the U.S. going to start cutting rates next? It's possible. People say no, but it's possible, man. I think we're looking at it next week, I believe. FOMC's next week, I think, right? So that's 3 central banks in 3 days, guys, cutting rates by 25 basis points. You know how much the market's going to explode if the U.S. announces that they're cutting by 25 basis points next week? You know how huge that's going to be? Blockchain backer, unemployment officially hits 4%. He says, I remember Martino Booth stating that Jerome Powell broadcasted that rate cuts happen when unemployment hits 4 cents. Not exactly bullish rate cuts like retail investors believe, but trying to stop the runaway train from of unemployment. Yes. So that's another reason we could start to see these rate cuts, guys, right? The pressure is on Powell. Like, he's getting it from all angles here, man. He's got to do something, right? It's a lose-lose, but you got to do something. My Ondo fans out there, my Ondo fans, check it out. Bitstamp has listed Ondo. Bullish news for Ondo. New listing for Ondo. Love to see that, guys. Love to see that. All right, Bitcoin ETFs saw $218 million in inflows yesterday. That's 18 days straight of inflows. Look at this, guys. From right here, boom. Oh, no, from here. There's a red day here. Look at this, 18 green days of inflows in a row, guys. That is a bullish sign. Looks like another wave is coming, man. Like this was wave one here. Look at this wave one we have right here, right? That was wave one. We're gearing up for wave two here, man. Look at that. Love to see it. Love to see it. As we continue on that theme, boom, breaking. So here we go, guys. The number has actually gone up. People have been asking me about breaking 72K and the liquidations for a short squeeze, okay? Because we've been covering it. But here we go. The number's gotten bigger, guys. $10 billion worth of Bitcoin shorts will be liquidated, expected once Bitcoin hits 74K. If Bitcoin hits 74K, guys, $10 billion in shorts are going to get squeezed. Say hello to an $80,000 Bitcoin. It's coming. It's coming, guys. I would not be a part of this if like that's insanity, man. It's coming, guys. And then check this out, guys. Breaking news. Congress files act to fire Gary Gensler over his stance on XRP and Ripple lawsuit. Right? No, I'm just messing with you guys. No, that's fake news. That's fake news. Crypto Geek, guys, this account makes fake news all the time. So I just thought I'd mess with you on that one. That's funny. No, this guy he has like a website where he types up his own news articles, his fake XRP news articles like this, and then he puts them out on Twitter and stuff like that, like they're real. Super chat, Willie. Keep up the good work buying the dip. Thank you, Willie. Thank you so much for the support, my brother. It means a lot, man. It really does. Guys, when you support the channel, it's so amazing, man. Thank you so much, my friend. And I'm glad you bought the dip, brother. I'm glad you bought the dip. All right, what else do we got? Pow, check it out. Meta Lawman says, what's weird about all the lawsuits being filed by private citizens to hold the SEC accountable for breaking the law is, drumroll, this is supposed to be what we're paying Congress to do. I've never seen oversight of a government agency shifted wholesale over to the private sector like this. No subpoenas issued by Congress, so private citizens have to file FOIA requests just to get answers. Then they have to file lawsuits when the SEC refuses to comply with the FOIA. This is nuts. Yes, it is. I agree, guys. And again, this is what we tolerate, so this is what will continue, right? What else do we got? Boom, check it out. Pomp says, finance. So we're talking here about Texas starting their own stock exchange to compete with the New York Stock Exchange. Check this out, guys.
The state of Texas has plans to launch a new national stock exchange. Firms like BlackRock and Citadel Securities, dozens of individual investors, have raised $120 million for the exchange with the goal of making a first trade by late 2025 and listings by 2026. For more on this, let's bring in Texas Governor Greg Abbott. Governor, thanks for joining us. I don't feel like being nice to you. I'm at the NASDAQ, and I'm in New York City where we have the New York Stock Exchange. Everything's moving to Texas. Can't you just leave well enough alone at this point? What are you doing?
So first of all, listen, I have great respect for the NASDAQ, for the New York Stock Exchange, but also one thing that we believe in, and that is competition as well as capitalism. And we want to make sure that Texas, which I think may be the #1 state for listings on the New York Stock Exchange, is going to provide the opportunity to expand capitalism for companies whose only agenda is capitalism, as opposed to certain other ideologies that may be forced upon them by these other exchanges. And so, listen, we know the difficulty factor about starting something like this.
No, I was just playing devil's advocate there. When you look at a lot of the things that go on in New York City, and a lot of the regulations, and perhaps a financial transaction drives. You've got ESG, board members of certain companies have to comply with ESG. I think it's pretty rich that BlackRock, really the company that spearheaded all that stuff, is helping out here. I don't understand how that works.
Well, BlackRock has been working to try to eliminate, if you would, the tarnish on their reputation by using ESG. Remember, Texas passed a law that banned ESG and punished companies like BlackRock. And now the ESG movement is changing dramatically. And this is particularly important to the state of Texas, which is one of the reasons why we wanted to establish capital markets here in the state of Texas, because think of the prolific oil and gas industry that's not going away. It's going to be here for the rest of your life. And we need to make sure that Texas companies and companies similarly situated are not going to be cut off from capital markets in New York with policy decisions made from the left in places like New York. And we think because of that, because of some other reasons, there actually is a big market opening for this stock exchange in the state of Texas.
Yeah.
This is going to be big. That's what she said. What else do we got? Let's have a look at the bubbles here, guys. Let's have a look at the bubbles. See what's going on. Pow! Check it out. 2.01 billion now, guys. Going up, looking good. 4 cents, 07. Look at Swift. Swift's like, nah, bro. I'm going north. I'm going north, man. Up 14.3%, guys. Boy, am I happy I filled my bags on Swift at 204. Man, that was good. That was a good call, man. And I know a lot of you guys did too, so I'm proud of you guys. I know a lot of you guys have been messaging me how up you are on your Swift and stuff. Fantastic, guys. Super fantastic. Super fantastic. Bitcoin's holding 69.3. Not too bad. Not too bad. Look at the rest of the market, guys. What an opportunity to jump on some stuff, eh? What a fantastic opportunity, man. Pick up some Gala, 3 cents 9, some AGIX before it merges with ASI in a few days. Fantastic. Oh, SEI Network's having itself a little pump. 53 cents for SEI. That's a good deal, man. That is a good deal. Let's have a look at the Dixie. See, she tried to climb today, guys. She tried, but nope. No bueno, my friend. No bueno. Let's look at the 15. Pow, look at that. Ugh. Don't like that. Now we need to see a Bart Simpson here all the way back down. All the way back down. What's the hour look like? Yeah, see, look at that. Ugh. We don't like that, guys. We don't like that. That don't make me feel good. All right, let's have a look at the Bitcoin dominance, guys. See, still up at 55, man. Still up at 55. We need a complete collapse on this. Complete collapse. Probably 40%. I'd like to see 45, 40, 45% start to, see this cave in a little bit. That would be great. That's when we're going to start to see altcoins really start to run here, guys. So we might start looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart every day as well, just to kind of stay on top of it, right? Yeah, let's do that. We'll do that. We'll look at it every day. All right, go back over to the JASMY chart. Pow. All right, let's get back into the comments now, guys. See what everybody's doing. Epic Nacho, what's up, buddy? Damn, the whole market is down. Hey, all right, man. It's a good time to DCA. Are you still bullish on Lit Labs? Absolutely, I am. Absolutely, yes, I am. Let's have a look at Lit Labs, actually. Yeah, I mean, look. It's only got a $6 million market cap, man. This thing's going to fly for sure. For sure, Lit Labs is going to have a good time. It's about a third of the supply and circulation. the thing is, guys, that you have to be patient with some of these Web3 gaming plays, okay? And the reason for that is that there's not much liquidity in them right now because they don't have many centralized exchange listings, but they're coming, okay? Stuff like Lit Labs, stuff like AWT, right? Stuff like Mora Games. These things are going to get listed on a ton of centralized exchanges. There's going to be far more liquidity in them. Getting in at these prices, guys, is an amazing opportunity, and that's just my opinion. I think it's an amazing opportunity. Leverage is the devil. Yes, I agree. They want us to sell our positions. Don't give in to the fear. It's the same thing, same game every time. I'm not scared. Exactly. Just watched your video on it. If it really can hit those levels, even reaching its previous all-time high, it might have to convert some arrow over. Yes, that's the thing, man. I am filling up. I'm trying to collect about 4 million XCN right now myself, man. Are you in front of a green screen? C. Yes, I am. KK, leverage is a great way to lose money fast. Just buy JASMY and get a 20x. Yeah, simple. Clean the crib listening to these gems. Altcoin King. Nice. I bought Brett some through my Coinbase wallet. Nice. So you're up nicely today then. Awesome, man. WF Capital, what's up, man? Good to see you. Andrew, hey, Rob, if you have 10K now, what coins would you buy? If it was me personally, if I had 10K right now to throw into some altcoins, honestly, I'd pick up some, I'd finish filling up my XCN bags. I'd grab some Turbo for the long haul. And then I think I'd start stocking up on Stronghold, SHX. I think that's where I would go with it next, something like that. Crypto Spaniards is a good website to fake money trade. Yeah, there you go. Exactly, right? There's lots of places you can use Monopoly money. Rickaroo, what's up, brother? Happy Friday, brother. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. What's good? Stock market is rigged 100%, man. 100%. They don't want us to win. No, they don't. They want to take our money. And when we are winning, they shut it off on us, right? And they say, "Oh, it's too much leverage, or it's too much did I say leverage? Too much volatility for us. Too much volatility." Patrick, what's up, broski? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Balaclava, man, what's good, bro? Good to see you, man. Texas in the house. Absolutely, man. Texas Stock Exchange. Let's go, baby. I like Greg Abbott. Absolutely. Any info who sold? There was no sell. There was a long squeeze, right? There was 300 million in liquidation longs. That's what happened. Plus, there was also some options expiring on Bitcoin, and I think 2.5 billion in Bitcoin and Ethereum expired today too. So hope you're having an amazing evening, everybody. Liquidity in the house. Drop like a bag of rocks. Yeah. It's all good. Just a little shake up. We'll get by. If anything, good buying opportunities. Yes, exactly. PEI coin. Never heard of that. Oh, look at that. Oh, good old CoinGecko never gives you the accurate numbers. $71 million market cap. Wow, this is an early project if I've ever seen one. Looks like it's like a week old. What is it on? It's on MetaMask, Ethereum. Yeah, Uniswap, Dodo. Okay. Well, I mean, all-time high was yesterday. mean, it seems just as good as any other meme coin, really. It's up 335% on the week, though. Hello, and JASMY family. Why is the market down today? We just had a long squeeze. That's all. Nothing bad happened. Did you see what? ICE USDT? I don't know what you mean. Are you talking about ICE Open Network? Is that what you're talking about? Market is down because God knows what is happening. Big holders are manipulating the market so they can get better positions. No need to worry about pullbacks. Just sleep on it. Yeah, and dollar cost average, man. It's funny because just like this morning and last night, people were saying they wanted lower prices on stuff. Well, you got them today, right? So let's take advantage, guys. I don't understand Web3 yet, Rob. I can research, but if you can give a quick tip on where to look at to buy Web3 projects. Well, listen, what I'll do, Austin, shoot me a private DM over on the Discord, and you and I can have a chat about it, and I will help you out with that. I'll help you find some good or how you can find some good Web3 plays and stuff like that. It's a lot to get into on a live stream. So just shoot me a DM, and we'll chat about it one-on-one over in the Discord, brother. Also, hello, good sir. Hello, my friend. Hello. Shadow Frost, what's up, man? Good evening. Good to see you. Crypto Goddess. Hello, multimillionaire family. Good to see you. Family's all kicking in, man. Love to see it. Love to see it. Trying to catch the next running meme before everyone gets in. Yes. What do we got? We get a 25% increase due. I took some profits and bought back in at lower prices and made a few grand. Nice. Congratulations, man. Can you explain how options works when they expire and how the influences the price? Not in the stream, I can't, but I can do a video on it. How about I do an entire breakdown video? And I'm going to make a note of that. Here's my pen. And I'll do a whole video going through it for you. How's that sound? Yeah, I'll do a whole dedicated video to it for you, brother. I should have a look. I should have took profits on Roaring Kitty and bought back in. Yeah, that was a disaster, wasn't it? What a train wreck that turned out to be. The guy, I'm pretty sure he was drunk or something while he was on. It was crazy, right? Completely crazy. Unwatchable. Almost unwatchable. Japanese Pepe or something. Yeah. Another sound or awesome. Sounds good, Rob. Thank you. Hey, no problem, man. Yes, ICE. Okay, so ICE. So ICE Open Network is 1/7 of a cent, $48.5 million market cap. It's on BNB, audited by Certec. All-time high 2 months ago. Or sorry, 4 months ago. Of 1.9 cents. What do they do? ICE Open Network drives Web3 forward with its ultra-fast what's an L1? Okay. 2 million followers. Wow. 2 million followers on their socials. Yeah, you know what? Here's the thing, man. I'm a big fan of layer ones, right? So, I mean, as long as it looks okay, it looks like it's a decent layer one on BNB Smart Chain, right? Where can you buy it? Oh, yeah. KuCoin, Gate.io, Radium, BitTrue, Jupiter. Yeah, you know what? Seems like a pretty good play, man. Seems like a pretty good play. Yes, please. That would help a lot. Thanks. Hey, no problem, brother. I got you covered. Hey, Rob, I mentioned 3 meme bangers that went 400% in a couple hours, made about 80K in 3 days. I'm invested in Yep. You should look at it. Yeepy? Let's have a look. Yes, I remember. I remember the other day you made a couple of calls there and we looked at them again and you absolutely knocked them out of the park, brother. I remember that. Yellow Pepe? Is this what you're talking about? Wow, it's $7,000 market cap. You can only get it on Pancake Swap right now through MetaMask or Trust Wallet. All-time high was 2 months ago. Wow. Yeah, that's exactly. This is like one of those plays. Like I said before, you throw like $100 or $200 into this, man, you probably make a small little fortune if it runs. Like it hasn't had its parabolic run. It hasn't really had a parabolic run yet. So yeah, this might be another banger that you're calling, man. Might be another banger. Roaring Kitty, shake my head. Imagine how many people got burned on that. Yeah. Making money and following your calls with Swift and XCN. Nice. Nice. Hey, you've been nailing them too, buddy. You've been nailing them too, my friend. Any news on the PDL yet? And do you think we can start locking up this year? I think we will be able to lock up this year. Yeah. What you have to remember, and I did a video on this, guys, you have to remember that right now, Jasmy's Jenkins team is really, really busy trying to create this platform that they're making with Panasonic, right? You may have forgot that that's happening in the background right now. They planned on launching their platform in the next 6 months, they said, right? For the end of this year. So, I mean, the team is very busy with a lot of stuff, right? So don't think for 1 second that they're not making moves, guys, because they're making moves, right? Made a lot on Swift holding it. Thank you. Hey, no problem, brother. I'm glad you did. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations, brother. Oh, we got a super chat down here. Boom. Nice. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for the super chat. Appreciate it. Hey, man. You've been nailing them too, my friend. You've been nailing them. Keep up the great work. And thank you again. That is very generous super chat, my friend. Thank you so much, man. It's awesome having you here. I'm glad you're making a fortune. Let's make it together, man. Let's make it together. What do we got? Made a lot on holding Swift. Swift coin was one of the few coins that flew during the Roaring Kitty stream. Yeah, Swift and Jasmy were the only 2 projects that were green while that was going on. It was hilarious, right? Everything else is like completely sinking and red and, you know, and then there's just Swift and Jasmy like, nah, we're good. We're just going to hang up here, right? Swift seems solid. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we've been loading up on Swift for a while. I actually got, you guys know Run My Crypto, right? He runs a channel there. I got him into Swift a few weeks back. I told him to get into Swift. He got into Swift and he tagged me in a post today over on X. He made like a crap load of money on Swift, and he's just, you know, giving me a shout out and thanking me for getting him into it, right? So you can really change a lot of lives, guys, by recommending fantastic projects, right, for people to look into, right? So I think now we'll probably see Run My Crypto probably start talking more about Swift now as well. So, you know, not only did we help him make some money, but now we have another content creator who's probably going to start talking about Swift as well, right? So it's a win-win. Lockup. Somebody had said that I watched somebody yesterday and they said that they did lock up the other 100 million, but they just haven't bothered to announce it. Like they're not going to announce it every month. Apparently they're just going to do it because they said the first time that they're going to do it. So I'm still looking into whether that's true or not. But from what I understand, they just did it, right? XCN is good coin to invest. I'm going hard into XCN right now, so I hope so, because I'm going hard and I'm trying to get 4 million tokens. Thanks for your opinion. Hey, no problem, man. No problem. My pleasure. Plutobolic, what's up, man? Hey, Rob. Where can I swap out my Mora for another coin? It won't let me on Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, or Uniswap. I'm in the US, so I don't know. It won't let you. You want to sell it? You should be able to sell it over on your MetaMask, but let's have a look at Mora and let's see. Yeah, it says Uniswap, MEXC, maybe MEXC, something like that. Yeah, or you just got to wait for more listings, for more liquidity to come in, right? Fax, what's up, buddy? Bought some based AI on the dip today. I believe that's a monster of a coin with a insane 50x potential. And what can I say that often with coins? Yes, you make some good calls too, Fax. 100%, brother. What's it called? Based AI. That sounds familiar. Did we look at this recently? $306 million market cap. Nice little dip of 10% today. Not bad, not bad. 100% of the supply is in circulation. Bullish. Love to see that. It's had a good month. It's had a pretty good month. Obviously, it's an AI play, right? Is this on? Oh, it's okay. It's on Ethereum. I was gonna say, is it on Base? But where did you pick it up? You pick it up over on MetaMask, Uniswap. It's the only place I'm showing that's really decent to pick it up, or OpenSea. Seems like a pretty good play, though, brother. Seems like a pretty good play. Market cap's reasonable. It's got the utility. It's got the narrative that you're going to want to see, and it's got 100% of the supply in circulation. I dig it, brother. I dig it. Only 35.7 million tokens. That's good tokenomics, brother. I like it. I like that play, brother. Rob, I'm a big fan of your work. You're a legendary Japan artist, Maximus too. Thank you so much, Stefan. Thank you so much, my friend. It means a lot. Did the lockup already happen? From what I understand, like I said, I saw somebody say that it did yesterday, but I need confirmation. So I'm digging for confirmation, but I was told that it happened already. I was told, listen, this is what I was told. Okay. They made the announcement that they're going to lock. Hara made the announcement in the AMA that I live streamed that they were going to lock up 100 million tokens per month. Okay. And that was the announcement. Now, from what I've been told, they're not going to announce it every month that they locked up 100 million tokens. They've already made the announcement that they're going to do it every month, and then they just do it every month, right? Kind of like, think about it like this. Ripple unlocks 1 billion tokens every month from escrow. They use some of it and they put the rest back in escrow, right? But Ripple and XRP, they don't make announcements about it every month, right? I mean, there's other news outlets that cover it because they try to make it like a FUD piece or whatever, but Ripple doesn't announce it. They just do it because we know that that's what they're doing every month, right? So similar thing with JASMY here. It's like, from my understanding, is that's what they're doing. They're just locking up 100 million every month. They're not doing a whole song and dance every month saying, we locked up 100 million tokens, you know? So, what do we got? Sorry. Was there a reason for Swift's pump today, or whales just accumulating? You know what? The pump today was actually the charts, man. It wasn't, there was no catalyst. And here, I'll show you. I'll pull up the Swift coin chart. I've been pulling up the chart every day for the last 3 or 4 days now, just to kind of show you guys what was coming. Okay, so yeah, like we've been mapping this for about a week now, right? If you'll see, we broke out of this bull pennant here to the upside, right? That's just chart action. That's just what it was due. This is a bullish formation that breaks to the upside most of the time, right? So it was bound to happen. It was due to happen, right? So there was no catalyst, there was no news or anything like that. It just was what it was supposed to be, I suppose, right? So what is your JASMY price target? I think JASMY, I've done like 7 JASMY price prediction videos, but I think it can hit by the end of the cycle. $1.50, $2 is reasonable. Swift being compared to XRP. Yeah, you know what? If you want kind of why that is, I did a live stream with Rue Black like 2 days ago, and he is a fantastic Swift researcher. I would highly recommend watching the live stream, and you'll understand why in the live stream, right? Crypto Nation, what's up, man? Swift to $1. Absolutely, brother. Absolutely. No problem at all there, man. How's your idea of recovery to ASI? I hope it works well. I hodl all three of them. Best recovery. Well, I mean, the price hasn't really done anything on it yet because it's not out yet, right? I don't think that they actually do the merger till like the 13th of the month or something like that. So, but I'm very, very bullish on ASI. Very bullish. Afternoon, Momo, what's up, man? Hey, Rob, do you mind going over why you like XCN? Honestly, I'm literally just getting ready to log off because I got to get ready for work. But what I would say is I've done about 4 or 5 XCN videos over the last couple of days explaining that kind of stuff. I would highly recommend watching them. But I try to sum it up. Like, one of the reasons I'll give you, how about this? So in the live stream I just mentioned with Rue Black, we actually tied in a connection between XCN and Swift and Stellar and BlackRock and all these other entities, right? So that is just one of the many reasons why. I like the tokenomics behind it. I love the utility. And I think it's going to absolutely destroy its last all-time high. But definitely go, which was 18 cents, I want to say. But definitely go check out my XCN videos, and you'll have a little bit better of an understanding as well. Facts, 35 million max supply, and yes on Uniswap. Yes, I like that call, buddy. I like it. XCN's pretty great. Big backers got 5 mil bag. My end of summer goals 10 mil. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go for about 4 million coins. So you got me beat there, but I'm gonna stop at about 4 million. And then I got other projects I need to work on. I already answered that question twice. Is SHIB worth holding still? Might roll into turbo. It depends. Are you in the red or are you in the green when it comes to SHIB? Thanks for your explanation of ASI. I'm very bullish also. Hey, no problem, man. No problem. Yeah, merger happens, I think, on the 13th. Guys, they've announced that they want to compete with the likes of the like NVIDIA and stuff like that, right? So I think it's going to be huge. That was a good deep dive video. Yes, absolutely, man. That's why I say go watch that Swift deep dive video. We cover quite a bit, man. Rue is fantastic for that stuff. Opinion on SUI. I think Sui's going to do fantastic as well. Good project. I'm a little upset I never got into it when it first launched, I think like last year. But yeah, I mean, it's a great play. I think it's good. I think it's a great play. You bought Fetch at 12 cents. Nice. Nice. So you're in some pretty good profits right now. That's good to hear, man. That is good to hear. I love seeing you guys making that money, man. I love seeing it. All right, guys. So I got to go pop in the shower real quick. I got to go get ready for work. I got to work till about 5 o'clock in the morning tonight. So I will be live streaming the JASMY chart for you guys, though, to see if maybe we can break above, because JASMY right now is trying to pump. So I'll have the charts going all night, guys. If you want to ask me any questions or anything like that, I will be in and out of the chat for the live stream periodically from my phone. So I like to check in, see what you guys are talking about in the chat. So I'll got the music going. I'll have the chart going. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Thank you again for all of your super chats, guys. Thank you for your support. All the new members of the channel, guys, thank you so much. I did 2 new members videos today as well, 2 gems. So definitely join the member side or the Patreon and check those out. And I will see you guys tomorrow mid-afternoon for another live stream. Have a good night. Have a safe Friday night, guys. Have some fun. Be safe.